Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Anyswap. The price line of Anyswap has broken out a very big resistance on a daily time frame that was a very big ascending triangle. And in today's video, I want to share the next targets with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart. And here we can see that the price line of Anyswap has formed a very big triangle. It was the formation of this triangle was started on 4th of December. So far, the price line was moving very well between the resistance and support of this triangle. Here we had a fake out to the downside, but the price line reversed back, re-entered the triangle right now. Today we have this breakout on the daily time frame. And on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we can see that the breakout is confirmed. We had a breakout, we tested the previous resistance as a support, we moved up, and even we had the closing above the highest price of the candlestick, which broke out this resistance. Now the price line is again having some correction. It is possible that on the daily time frame we will move down and retest the previous resistance of this triangle as a support that is approximately at $27.5, and then we will have a reversal move like we had on the 4-hourly time frame. Same move can be repeated on the daily time frame. Now here you can see that we have a very strong support at $25 because previously we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, we had two more rejections here, and this was the final rejection. We can see that we were stuck here, but after a few sideways candlesticks, the price line moved up and broke out the next resistance of this triangle. Now, this level can be also used as a support. However, once this support of the triangle will be moved above this level, this $25, then we can also use this support of the triangle as our stop loss. And now let's move to the small time frame. On the 1-hourly time frame chart here, and Anyswap has formed this up channel on the daily time frame. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI is forming lower than previous low. If I place this trend line here, then this movement can be seen very clearly. Now, if we take a look at the price line, you can see above the RSI, price line is forming lower high, higher low than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on this chart. Therefore, a price reversal is possible. And it is also possible that the price line will also break out the resistance of the channel. In that situation, we can expect a very bullish move. However, the resistance of this channel is approximately at 37 cents. Therefore, in case of price reversal, the next move can be approximately at 37 cents we can expect. Now let's move back to this chart. And here, if we watch the targets for this triangle, then if I place this trend line from this resistance up to this support and place this trend line here at the breakout point, then our next expected target can be approximately here at $42. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.